Kalia spec bathtubs, simple, fast, and hassle-free installation. Compared to a two-piece bathtub, the one-piece design eliminates the risk of squeaking due to the fit between the skirt and the bathtub edge. A lower deck faucet with a slight slope ensures that water drains efficiently into the tub, preventing any pooling. An integrated overflow helps prevent spills. Enjoy peace of mind with easy rear access to faucet supply hoses. Looking for the perfect finish? Choose the optional magnetic back panel. Available in both square and round designs. For a fast, simple installation and guaranteed durability, choose Kalia spec bathtubs.